Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Rahila Firdausi, Assistant Teacher of English, Day Shift. Today I will take a class of Class 7 Agricultural Studies. Now today I will read Chapter 1, Lesson 4-5. Okay, come to our today's topic. Chapter 1, Lesson 4 and Lesson 5. Lesson 4 is about agricultural environment, seasonal cycle of Bangladesh and agricultural production. The seasonal cycle of Bangladesh and agricultural production. Bangladesh enjoys 6 seasons in a year. The bananas and papaya can be mentioned as example of season-neutral crops. Except the agricultural products like bamboo, timber, canes, almost all other field and horticultural crops are seasonal. Boys, underline this line. Except the agricultural products like bamboo, timber, canes, all other crops are seasonal. To satisfy the consumer demand throughout the year now, the agricultural scientists are engaged in breeding season-neutral varieties of crops. In the meantime, several such crop varieties have been released to farmers. It is expected that number of such crop will grow first. In case of rice, besides the Aush varieties, which are naturally season neutral. So underline which Aush is the naturally season neutral rice. Okay. In case of rice, besides the Aush varieties, some Viri rice varieties have been released and they are also season neutral. Jute is a very much day length sensitive crop. Underline. Jute is a very much day length sensitive crop. Therefore, the jute seeds have to be sown within the month of April between 15th of Chaitra and 15th of Boishak. Underline the time of jute sowing. For seedlings, the seeds of Boro rice must be germinated on the onset of spring in the seed beds, as the seedlings have to be transplanted before the start of April between the last week of Boishak and 15th Chaitra. Okay, so between the last week of Boishak and 15th of Chaitra, the seedlings of Boro rice should be given to the seed beds. Okay, so here we find out that according to various seasons, the crops grow. Nowadays, the specialists or the scientists trying to make some exceptional kind of seeds which can be grown in all the year round. To meet the demand of market, different leafy vegetables like jute seedlings, coriander leaves, Indian spinach, red and green amaranthus, bottle gourd, sweet gourd, pointed gourd, okra and tomatoes are grown round the year with special care. That this is the result of this trying of scientists. Soil. Though the riverbed areas of Bangladesh are rich in alluvial sandy loam soil, we also have highlands where soil is red and mostly clay. Okay, so the main soil of Bangladesh is rich with alluvial sandy loam, but somewhere the soil is red and mostly clay. The soil in the Haur areas is rich in organic matters and black in color. So how is the soil of Haur area? It is rich with organic matters and black in color. These areas remain underwater for a particular period of the year. Thus, because of soil variety, agro-based works also become varied. Then agricultural seasons. Though Bangladesh is a land of 6 seasons, there are 3 agricultural seasons. How many agricultural seasons? 3 agricultural seasons. What are they? They are Rabi, Kharif 1, summer and Kharif 2, rainy season. There are variations of agricultural production in the different seasons, such as vegetables grow in plenty in the winter and fruits in summer. Especially, fruits grow in plenty in the month of Jyeshtha. This is why this month is called Madhumas in Bengali. That means in the month of Jyeshtha, we get a lots of fruits, and that's why this month is called Madhumas in Bengali. Geographical location of Bangladesh. Bangladesh is located in the subtropical area of the world. In the south of Bangladesh lies the Bay of Bengal, from where clouds are formed. So, from the south of Bengal, that is the Bay of Bengal, the clouds are formed. Driven by monsoon wind, these clouds move to the north to be stopped by the Himalayan ranges. That means for the Himalayan ranges, these clouds have to be stopped. This causes heavy rainfall. During monsoon. This same hill range is creating obstacle as a wall to stop the chilly Siberian wind to save this area from extreme cold. That means the wall which has created for Himalaya that creates a wall to save us from the chilly Siberian wind for extreme cold. Thus, Bangladesh is neither too cold nor too hot. This is the reason for our biodiversity, especially plant diversity. That means for the geographical position of Bangladesh, we can grow so many types of plants in our country for its good atmosphere. Now, lesson 5. Diversity in agricultural production. Diversity in agriculture in Bangladesh. Diversification in the flora and fauna in Bangladesh is multilateral. Different types of grains, flowers, fruits, vegetables, building materials, fibers and medicinal plants can be grown in this country. On the other hand, this country is not lagging behind in the diversification of poultry, domestic animals and fish. As a result, products of animal origin like meat, milk, egg, etc. are also produced abundantly. That means beside plant crops, we also get the product from the domestic animals like meat, egg, milk, all these things. So here we can find the chart, our agricultural diversity in Bangladesh. For the diversity in agricultural products, we get so many things in our country. See, we get fruits, we get flowers, medicinal plants, vegetables and spices, edible oil and fuel, leather, fibers, building materials, fish, meat, milk and eggs, cereal crops. Understand, all these we get for the diversity, for the varieties of plants in our country. Now see diversification in field crops. The crops which are grown in open fields are called field crops. So what is field crops? The crops which are grown in open fields, they are called field crops. The examples of field crops are rice, jute, wheat, sugarcane, various kinds of pulse, etc. So underline this. These are all grown in the open field. The most widely grown field crop in our country is rice, because rice is our staple food. The other important field crops is jute. In the past, it was called the golden fiber of Bangladesh because Bangladesh earned lot of foreign currency by exporting jute. Bangladesh is one of the topmost jute producing country. Presently, area of jute production is increasing. It is expected that jute will soon regain its respectable place in our national production and economic growth. That means once upon a time, jute was our main earning crops, but now jute has lost its position. So the government is trying to increase the production of jute, and that's why and we are hoping, we wish that very soon jute will again find its position. Now, as a rice growing country, Bangladesh used to produce about 200 cultivable varieties of rice even 50 years back. So underline this one. As a rice growing country, Bangladesh used to produce about 200 cultivable varieties of rice even 50 years back. Modernization of agriculture can be a cause of reduction in crop diversification. We have the example of reduction of crop diversification in our country due to socio-political reasons. For instance, extensive cultivation of high-yielding variety rice has caused the extinction of many domestic rice varieties. That means the farmers want more crops with a short land. That's why our real and natural rice varieties are day by day in extinction. In Bangladesh, only 100 years ago, different varieties of cotton were grown. Once upon a time, a very few fine variety of cotton was produced in Bangladesh, and it was used to produce the finest muslin in the world. So, with the finest variety of cotton, we used to produce muslin in the world. But nowadays, it is not in production anymore. That variety unfortunately got extinct. However, production of different high-yielding variety of cotton in our country is expanding. Every year, new varieties of exotic plants, flowers, fruits and vegetables are being introduced in our country from the different countries of the world. These introduced plants are aiding to the diversification of agriculture and society. Boys, this is for today. And you will read this lesson 4 and lesson 5 very carefully, and you will make 5 MCQ from these 2 lessons. This will be your SW, and this is SW3. SW number 3, and you must submit the SW. Okay, Allah Hafiz, stay well. Assalamu alaikum.